In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with eBay customer service using their live chat feature. Whether you're dealing with a tricky transaction or have a question about your account, eBay's customer service can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you get the assistance you need quickly and with ease. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the eBay homepage and enter your login credentials. It's essential to be logged in because eBay's customer support options are tailored to your specific account activities and any recent transactions you may need help with. Once you're logged in, look to the top of your page. There you'll find an option labeled Help and Contact. Go ahead and click on it. This section is your gateway to all things support related on eBay, offering a wealth of information and solutions you might be looking for. After clicking Help and Contact, scroll down the page until you see the Contact Us button. Giving it a click will lead you to a new page specifically designed for providing the support you need. It's here where you'll begin to narrow down the exact nature of your inquiry. You'll now need to choose a topic that aligns with the issue you're facing. This could range from problems with a recent purchase to questions about managing your listings or needing help with your personal account. Examples of these topics could be I have a problem with a purchase, I need help with my account, or managing my listings. Choosing the right topic helps eBay direct you to the most suitable help resources or support agents, cutting down unnecessary waits and ensuring you're efficiently guided. Once you've selected the appropriate topic, the system will guide you further by offering subtopics. Select one that best fits your situation, then you should be able to spot an option that says either chat with us or chat with an agent. This is your ticket to start a live chat session, so make sure you click on it. After entering the chat window, type in your question or explicitly request to speak to an agent. This method grants you the opportunity to address your inquiries in real time, receiving timely responses from either an automated system or a customer service representative. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated the process of reaching out to eBay's customer service through live chat. This method is straightforward and an efficient way to get support for any challenges you face on the platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your future interactions with eBay smoother and more satisfying.